Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve LeetCode question n repeated elements in size of 2n array. The question number is 961 and this easy mode. Description they given. You are given an integer array nums which with the following properties. Properties 1. Now a given array is always is equal to 2 into n. Means they indirectly saying it is even number of length. And second property, nums containing n plus 1 unique elements. And also they are saying indirectly the half of the length plus 1 containing unique elements. And exactly one element of nums I is repeated n times. They are also saying indirectly half of the element containing repeated element and return the element that is repeated n times. Okay, let's check given example. Now if we consider example, the given example is 1 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 3 and half of the length is repeated as a 3. Okay, and if we take example 2, 2 is repeated 3 times. And also it's saying half of the length 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 by 2 is equal to 3. So 3 times 2 is repeated. Okay, if we take example 3, 5 is repeated. If we check, 5 is repeated 1 2 3 4 and length is 8 by 2 is equal to 4. I is repeated 4 times. Like this, we need to consider like we need to check a repeated number and we need to return that number. In this case, all 2 is repeated that much, 5 is repeated that much, and 4 times. So we need to return that element. So if we start directly coding, start the coding part, we have to initialize one count variable. Count is equal to 0. We need to counter to track the how many times the current element is appeared. And next for loop int, we need to initialize element like I is equal to 0, I less than or equal to nums dot length I plus plus plus. The first for loop is for selecting one element at a time from the array, and we need to write another for loop for int, and we need to treat as a j is equal to 0, I j less than or equal to nums dot length j plus plus. Second for inner loop for comparing nums of I with every element in the array. After that, we need to compare using if condition. If nums of I is equal to nums of j. If it is equal, means we found the count and we need to increment it. Okay. After this, we need to check count is reached to or not. If count is reached to 2, then we found the element that we wanted. Like, as long as the same element is found twice, we need to identify and repeat the element. For this, we need to write if count greater than or equal to 2 means we found it. We need to return it. Return nums of I and come out of the for loop. If it is not found, we need to make count 0 again. Otherwise, it will continue with the old value. Reset the count before checking the next element and then return the if fallback condition return -1. Okay, now I'm running the test cases. Let's check it is working on it. Okay, I made one. I don't want to give equal, so I give an equal. Now I'm running. Okay, all three test cases pass. Now I'm clicking submit. Oh, all the test cases have been passed. Thank you for watching this video. Do follow and subscribe for more videos.